Time check! It's English O'Clock! Ang pag-aaral ng English upang madaling matutunan, bakit hindi natin simplihan? Halika! Manood at makinig sa English Teacher ni Juan!
Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, huwag kang matakot. I made learning English easy for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. At pakishare mo na rin sa iba para marami pang mga Juan na gaya mo ang matuto. Hello everyone! How's your vacation? I hope you're able to rest and relax during the break. Heto na naman tayo sa panibagong taong pampaaralan. Are you ready? Ako ready na! I am your teacher and I am here to help you with your English 8 lessons. I know these videos I prepare can help you understand your lessons in English even more. Kaya mag-subscribe ka na at manood. Huwag kang mag-alala, madali lang dito. Our first lesson for this school year is about context clues. Familiar ka ba dito? Tara, let's start! The target most essential learning competency for this video is determine the meaning of words and expressions that reflect the local culture by noting context clues. Madalas ka bang ganito? Pero hindi yung literal na nosebleed Alam natin tong ekspresyong to. Yung nano-nosebleed every time you see or hear an English word, especially kapag hindi ka familiar. Nabablanko din ba ang isip mo dahil hindi mo naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng unfamiliar word na ito? How can we lessen or totally avoid this kind of situation to happen? It is very important for you to enhance your knowledge and improve your vocabulary skills. Kapag sinabing vocabulary skills, ito yung kaalaman natin sa kahulugan ng mga foreign words, especially yung mga hindi masyadong common o hindi mo madalas na naririnig o nababasa. Paano kung sa pagbabasa natin ay naka-encounter tayo ng unfamiliar word? What will you do to understand its meaning? Dictionary? Paano kung wala ka namang available na dictionary? Mapa-electronic man yan o hardbound. Saka hassle naman magbuklat. Dito na papasok ang context clues. So, what are context clues? Let's define. Context clues are words that appear in sentences to help understand the meanings of difficult words. These are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meanings of new or unfamiliar words. Let me give you an example. Which word has the same meaning with the underlined word? Sunlight can shine through opaque objects like brick walls and wooden doors. Choices are A. Thin, B. Clear, C. Transparent, D. Thick. Before we answer this, pag-isipan muna nating mabuti. Look at the underlined word. What does it mean? Para malaman natin ang meaning, gagamit tayo ng context clues. According to its definition, hahanap tayo ng clue na makikita just within the sentence. Alin-aling words kaya ang pwedeng magsilbing clue? In this sentence, the word opaque is an adjective that is used to describe the word objects. And from there, nagbigay ng examples ng object na tinutukoy. Since hindi nga natin alam ang ibig sabihin ng opaque, gamitin natin ang sample objects na binigay para matukoy ito. So we have brick walls and wooden doors. In the sentence, it says that sunlight can't shine through it. So tama na hindi nakatatagos ang sinag o liwanag sa mga bagay na nabanggit, hindi ba? Tingnan natin. Brick wall, wooden door. Hindi kasi sila gaya ng salamin na tagus-tagusan ng liwanag. Therefore, from these word clues, we can say that opaque means thick. Makapal ito kaya hindi nakatatagos ang sikat ng araw dito. Now, context clues have different types. Number 1. By definition. The unfamiliar word is defined in a sentence. Example: a treasure hunter is a person who searches for treasures from sunken ships and ancient tombs to obtain valuable relics and artifacts. Definition: a person who searches for treasures. Sa sentence na mismo ibinigay ang kahulugan ng salitang tinutukoy. Number 2. By synonym. A similar word is placed in the same sentence to know the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: it is common for Filipinos to feel compassion or pity for the suffering of their fellow men. Synonym: pity. Number 3. By antonym. An opposite word is placed in the same sentence. Example: among the siblings of thin body structure, Isabel is the only one who is portly. Antonym: thin. Ang antonym naman ay kabaligtaran na kahulugan. So sa sentence, kung ang lahat ng magkakapatid ay sinasabing thin o payat, maliban lamang kay Isabel, ibig sabihin, ang katawan ni Isabel ay kabaligtaran ng adjective na nabanggit. Number 4. By comparison. A similar word with the same meaning of the unfamiliar word is placed with an object to be compared. Example: the stench of the garbage was like the smell of a rotten fish. Comparison: rotten fish. Words being compared are garbage and rotten fish. So the word stench means mabahong amoy. Number 5. By example. Samples are provided in the sentence to understand the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: in ancient times, some of our forefathers believed in amulets such as pearl of the crocodile, pearl of the axe, bullet necklace, and bag of herbs to protect them from harm. Example: pearl of the crocodile, pearl of the axe, bullet necklace, bag of herbs. This is also the kind of context clue that we use in our first example with the word opaque. Nagbibigay ng halimbawa para matukoy ang kahulugan ng salita. Number 6. By explanation. A description is given to understand the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: Matthew had few infractions of the house rules that he should have done as part of his responsibilities. Explanation: house rules that he should have done. So, dito ay may kasama ng pagpapaliwanag para mas madaling maintindihan. From the word clue, infraction means violation because of the rule that he did not follow or do. Number 7. By cause-effect. The meaning of the difficult word depends on the cause-effect relationship of other words as expressed in the sentence. Example: since only a few follow the wearing of face mask, it was made mandatory by the government. Cause: only a few follow the wearing of face mask. So here, mandatory means compulsory or required and that everyone must follow. Number 8. By list or series of clues. To understand the meaning of the unknown word, it is included in a series of words given in a sentence. Example: after the program, the rubbish left were souvenir programs, flyers, leaflets, plastic bottles, and food wrappings. List: souvenir programs, flyers, leaflets, plastic bottles, food wrappings. So what does rubbish mean? It means trash. Number 9. By inference. To understand the meaning of the unknown word, one has to make a guess based on the description given in the sentence. Example: when one shows belligerence, harsh words, disruptive actions, and offensive behaviors can be observed. Description: harsh words, disruptive action, offensive behavior. So from these descriptions, it's clear to see that belligerence means anger or hostility. So those are the different types of context clues: definition, synonym, antonym, comparison, example, explanation, cause and effect, list of series of clues, and inference. Now, let's try to answer some exercises here to check if you were able to understand what I discussed. I will give a sentence and will give the type of context clue. What you will do is to guess the meaning of the difficult word by choosing the correct letter among the given choices. Are you ready? Number 1. Vicissitudes such as circumstances, developments, or journeys in life can change a person forever. Using the example clue, the word vicissitudes in this sentence means A. Families, B. Life experiences, C. Vacations. What is your answer? The answer is B. Life experiences. Next, number 2. Throngs of people shopped at the mall the week before Christmas. Using the explanation clue, the word throngs in this sentence means A. Little number, B. No one, C. Few, D. Crowds. Answer is D. Crowds. For the last sentence, we have when the light brightens, the pupils of the eyes contract. However, when it grows darker, they dilate. A. Expand, B. Shrink, C. Disappear. Using the antonym clue, the word dilate in the sentence means answer is A. Expand. So there you have it, class. How to get the meaning of unfamiliar word using the different types of context clues. Remember that learning the meaning of a word through its use in a sentence or paragraph is the most practical way to build vocabulary, since a dictionary is not always available when a reader encounters an unknown word. We must be aware that many words have several possible meanings, and only by being sensitive to the circumstances in which a word is used can the reader decide upon an appropriate definition to fit the context. Question: when can we rely on context clues? Answer: we should rely on context clues when an obvious clue to meaning is provided, or when only a general sense of the meaning is needed for the reader's purposes. Question: and when can't we rely on context clues? Answer: context clues should not be relied upon when a precise meaning is required, when clues suggest several possible definitions, when nearby words are unfamiliar, and when the unknown word is a common one that will be needed again. In these cases, dictionary should be consulted.
So did you learn something today? Sure ako na hindi ka na nosebleed. If you want more of this video tutorial and learn English in a light speed, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-turn on ang notification button para updated ka sa mga bagong lessons. Ako ang teacher mo, ang English teacher ni Juan. Class dismissed! See ya!